Hey everybody, it's Rick. I'm here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're going to talk about a new product introduction to our lift chair category. This gives us a couple of great new features, a couple of new benefits that we haven't had before, some nice things to talk about. We got a lot to learn, so let's get to it. Okay, the chair I'm working with tonight, this is the 791 Margaret. Along with its companion chair, the 792 Miller, this gives us a new entry point into our lift chair category. Both are great styles. They really fill a void for us, which is smaller scale and a lower price point. A couple of really nice new features. Both of these chairs use a new mechanism that requires only 2 inches of clearance from the wall. So these new lift chairs give you not only a lift chair, but also a true wall saver. They also use a new mechanism that's smooth, it's very quiet. It actually takes less than 30 seconds for this chair to go from fully reclined to a standing position. So both the Margaret and the Miller come with a 2-button hand wand that is centrally located in the middle of the back. So whether your client is right-handed or left-handed, this chair will work for them either way. And then both come with a side pocket. Customers are going to love that. They can store the remote control in there, the hand wand in there if they want. Another really nice feature is that the mechanism is designed to close with spring tension rather than the motor pulling it closed. It relieves pressure on the motor, and then it also provides a safety feature so that if something were to get trapped underneath the chair, it's not going to damage the chair, it's not going to damage the motor. Another feature I like to point out underneath the chair is that it's built on a wide stance base. That gives it lots of lateral stability side to side. You've also got a 9-volt battery backup, which all of our lift chairs include. You've got a motor that is built to lift 300 pounds. So I like to point out that the motors are actually held in with these cotter pins so that if you ever have to do service on the chair, it's pretty simple. All right, so there you have some basic information on the new 791 Margaret, 792 Miller. Both of those are part of our new bronze series of lift chairs. So now you've got bronze here, you've got silver with your James and your Alley, you step up to gold with the Clayton, and then of course you top out with your Pinnacle and your Astor in your Platinum series. One nice change we made this market is all of those are now stocked in iClean fabrics. So be sure to check those out. For now, that's it. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you get more comfortable. And if you have any questions, reach out. Talk to you later.